A paper head count has never saved a child. Here's why your district is still relying on one. Manual bus attendance has 3 failure modes that repeat in districts every single week. First, human error. A driver counts 27 students and writes 28, or counts 28 and writes 27. There is no audit trail. There is no alert. The error disappears. Second, no timestamp. A paper log tells you a student was accounted for, but not when and not where. If an incident is reported 2 hours later, that log is legally useless. Third, no escalation path. When a student is missing from a paper count, the process depends entirely on the driver noticing, choosing to act, and reaching the right person by phone. At 7 a.m., with 15 stops left on the route, that process fails more often than anyone wants to admit. The standard that protects districts is automated, time-stamped, stop-level scan data. Not because it removes human judgment, but because it creates a record that exists independently of human memory. A scan at boarding and a scan at alighting creates a documented chain of custody for every student every day. That record protects your district, your driver, and the student's family when questions arise. Student Patrol replaces paper head counts with automated scan data at every stop. Every boarding and alighting event is logged with a GPS-confirmed timestamp. Your transportation director can pull that record for any student, any driver, any route, any day. That is your audit trail. That is your legal defense, and it runs automatically. How does your district verify that a student made it to their stop today? Not the bus, the student. Tell me your process in the comments.